champions, campeones, where there is love and unity. I'm going to say it again. Where there is love and unity, God commands a blessing. Sambona Mzansi, Tobela Mzansi, Dumela Mzansi, bon dia. Africa de Sul, goeiedag. Good day to all of you talented, gifted, and potential-filled campeones. And I know that you hear me say this quite a lot of the time, but it's the truth, fam, okay? You are talented, you are gifted, you are filled with amazing treasure that God has placed and put inside of you. So, standing again, you're on my right-hand side, on your left-hand side. Listen. He's not a model, okay? I know he looks like a model, right? And I know me and him kind of have the same taste with the jacket, and he's got the shoes. He got the shoe version of the jacket over there, all right? You look amazing, bro. You look really good, brother.
You look better, man.
Oh, come on, stop it. Stop it, I like it. There we go. So again, Richard, thank you so much for being here, my bro. And it's Winning Wednesdays, so we're sharing testimonies.
Yes, come on.
Please, share what God is busy doing, brother.
Life is all about testimonies.
Come on.
Always about testimonies. Go and testify every single day of your life of what God has done for you.
Come on.
That should never dry up. But anyway, so on Saturday, no, it was on the Friday, me and my beautiful wife, we recently got married, so that's very exciting.
Hey.
Yes,
hey, show the ring.
Come on.
There we go. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on. If you like it, sorry, I'm in a zone, yeah.
Just keep on going on the backtrack.
There we go.
So we went on a date on the Friday night, and as we were driving back from that, we suddenly saw a guy lying in the street.
Sure.
And our hearts felt immediately cold, but it's as if the Spirit just rose inside of us, and we felt the compassion just to turn back immediately to go and serve that guy that was lying in the street. So we climbed out of the car, me, myself, Danielle, and my father. And we rushed to him out of the love of God, and we just wanted to serve him and see what does God want to do to this guy, because he loves this guy. He loves him so much. We should just be the hands and feet of God. Just put yourself out there. So we stopped, we pulled over, and we just started praying. And when we started praying, we saw all these people coming left, right, and center from all over, and that's how I see that Africa moving forward. They started holding hands, and Danielle, my wife, said, listen, let's hold hands, and all of us just pray in a circle around this guy. Now the guy was lying on the floor, he didn't move, there was no movement. We thought at that moment that there was no hope for this guy. So all of us held hands together, we started praying, and it's amazing. That's how I envision South Africa moving forward.
It's that unity.
That God is busy bestowing on this country, especially in this country. I believe that all of my heart. This is going to happen much more. So we just started holding hands together. We started praying for this guy, all of us, with one mind, one spirit, with us moving and touching this guy. So we prayed, and everybody just started praying in tongues. Everybody in that circle. You could just feel the warmth embrace of God in that moment. And afterwards, after we prayed, we just moved away a bit. We just cleaned him a bit up, and the guy started moving. And there came a moment, we just felt so alive, the guy, because he broke most of the bones in his arms. That was pop.
Yeah.
But at that moment, he felt so much life inside of him. He just wanted to stand up. He started moving around. He wanted to stand up. It's like, no, just lay down. Let's just lay down. The guys take you to the hospital. So that's why I just want to encourage you. If you put yourself out there, God will move through you. And God is going to bring that unity inside Africa. He's going to use his children. Doesn't matter the age, doesn't matter your background, he is going to use you. Just put yourself out there, and he will connect you with people like-minded in Christ. And we will see the Spirit of God moving in this country.
Come on, powerful stuff. What I just personally take from this whole testimony that you guys shared is that boldness inspires others to act. And the word is clear that the righteous are as bold as a lion at the end of the day. So once we know who we are, like Richard, you know who you are in Christ, and you're growing in that, which is absolutely incredible, and we're proud of you. And yeah, just that thing of just stepping out in faith inspires people then as well to begin to step out, because it gives other people hope. Because the situation in all essence was absolutely hopeless.
Yes.
And because you were bold enough to step out by the grace of God, and the love of God compelled you. So you had the passion mixed with the compassion,
Yes.
and that was influence, and it influenced other people to act. Now, I wasn't the best math student, but there's this awesome, beautiful equation that I want to share with all of you champions out there, and that is passion plus compassion equals influence. And you simply demonstrated that in such a phenomenal way. And yeah, we hope, man, that every single South African will begin to lay down, that we all collectively begin to lay down our own agendas and just simply submit and surrender to God's will, to His way, and to His word, and arise collectively as a nation. Because we know that love and unity, where there's love and unity, God commands, not suggests, He commands a blessing. And this nation is in dire need of unity. The only way there can be restoration is when believers unite as one, and the purpose becomes one, which is simply to express His nature, God's nature, and to expand His kingdom with whatever skill set God has essentially blessed you all with. So just know today, namhlanje, Champion Rich, fist pump, boom. Know that your life matters both to God and to us.